Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to know Telegram user phone number. So let's get started. Telegram prioritizes user privacy and does not disclose phone numbers publicly, but here is how you can do it. Tap on any conversation you want to access phone number of, then simply tap on their name. So after you tap on their name, you will get to see their phone number easily. So that's it. Now another way is go to your any web browser, and here I'm going in Safari. So any web browser and type down callmebot.com. So after you get into this website, you can easily access Telegram's phone number. So scroll down and tap on any Telegram option available there. You can even get WhatsApp numbers, you can even get Telegram options, but make sure that you respect privacy and boundaries in crucial in any communication platform. Always ask for permission before attempting to obtain someone's personal information. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.